Hello everyone, today I will show you how to resize checkboxes in a fillable PDF form using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is my fillable PDF form and this checkboxes. As in this, all of these checkboxes now different size. I'll make all of them similar size. Now click on this form option and here you will find this select field option and drag your mouse cursor and select all of them. Now put your mouse cursor first one and all of them will resize according to first one. Now click right button for your mouse cursor and select here size option. Now you can adjust only white and see this. All of the checkboxes white now adjusted. If I select height and see this, height also adjusted. Also I will align all of them same line horizontally. This and see this. Now select hand option and see this. All of the now align similar line and similar size. Yeah, this is in this way you can resize and adjust your checkbox's size. And finally select this file option, save or save as your fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.